Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can see your shared folder in Windows Explorer. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my desktop on my computer and this is how the homepage looks like. So basically guys, right now, the first thing that you need to do guys is open the File Explorer. If you don't find this right here, just go to the Start menu and then search for File Explorer. Once you find this, go ahead and click on Open, and then you're going to be here in this section, in this window. As you can see, guys, here in the left, you're going to find all of these sections. Here you're going to find Home, Gallery, and right here, you're going to find the OneDrive folder. So right now, just click on the OneDrive folder. And then as you can see, guys, right here, you're going to find all of your OneDrive files. And as you can see, guys, you're going to also find your shared files. As you can see, guys, for example, this file is a shared folder. So right now, if you want to access the OneDrive settings, just right click on it here. And then right here in the bottom, you're going to find these options. Here you're going to find always keep on the device, free up space. And lastly, here you're going to find some OneDrive settings. Here you're going to find the option to view it online. Right here, you're going to find settings. And lastly, right here, you're going to find folder color. So right now, go ahead and click on settings. And then here, you're going to find all of the settings related to OneDrive. Here you're going to find these sections in the left, sync and backup, account, notifications, and lastly, about. So if you go to account, make sure you link this PC. From here, you can link your computer to your OneDrive account. If you go here to sync and backup, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of your backup settings. So from here, you can enable backup for your OneDrive account. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.